How to sell crypto on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Now first things first, you can open up a crypto wallet, and there under your balance you'll be able to see the trade option, or you can head into the option that says fiat balance. There you'll get a trade option, and you'll see the option that says buy and sell. Simply select the option sell. Once you tap on sell, you want to select the type of crypto that you want to sell, that you own there. So suppose you select Bitcoin, you want to tap on it, and then you want to select fiat wallet option, enter crypto amount that you wish to sell, and then tap on sell. Then you want to confirm the information that you provided, and then go ahead and it'll be sold. So this way you can sell crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and here, do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues regarding to the crypto.com as well. You can check out my channel for any other videos that you require for tutorials as well.